Horsetail, ancient healing plant for bone and beauty. If you've ever passed by a patch of horsetail along a quiet stream and wondered what this unusual plant is all about, today's video is made for you. Horsetail is one of the oldest plants on Earth, dating back to the time of the dinosaurs, and it carries with it fascinating healing properties, traditional remedies, and even practical uses. We'll explore the powerful health benefits of horsetail, the best ways to use it in everyday life, and how you can actually grow it in your own home garden. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why horsetail has been treasured for centuries, but you may also feel inspired to bring this ancient plant into your wellness routine and your garden. Silica-rich support for bone, tissue, and urinary health. Horsetail is most well known for being a natural source of silica, a mineral vital for strengthening bones, tissues, hair, and nails. In fact, herbalists often turn to horsetail as a supportive herb for bone density and connective tissue health, making it valuable for those concerned about osteoporosis or brittle bones. Its silica content also makes it a natural beauty ally, since stronger nails and shinier hair often develop with regular use. Beyond its mineral richness, horsetail has long been valued as a potent diuretic, gently helping the body flush excess fluids and support healthy kidney and bladder function. Traditional herbal medicine also recognized horsetail's ability to reduce inflammation, tighten tissues, and promote wound healing, which is why poultices made from fresh horsetail have been applied directly to cuts and bruises. Bring horsetail into your daily routine. The most common methods are tea, tincture, juice, or as a bath or topical preparation. For horsetail tea, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried stems to 1 cup of boiling water, cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and drink once or twice daily. Horsetail tea should not be consumed for more than 1 week continuously unless prescribed by a herbal professional, and delicate individuals are usually advised to drink no more than 1.5 cups per day and divided doses after meals. For tinctures, use 1/2 to 1 teaspoon in a little water, up to 3 times a day. When using juice from fresh horsetail, harvest spring shoots, express the juice, and preserve with vodka or brandy. Always take breaks of at least 1 week after 2 weeks of continual use to protect the kidneys. For pain and injury, 1 tablespoon 3 times a day may be used. For prevention, 15 to 45 drops daily is standard. For topical baths, soak 7 ounces of dried horsetail overnight in enough cold water to cover, heat and strain in the morning, and use for a 20-minute soak. For compresses, use cooled horsetail tea, applied to the skin for minor wounds and tissue repair. Because of its high mineral content, horsetail is also sometimes infused in oils for use in salves and lotions, especially for skin repair. Guidelines for safe and effective use. It's important to remember that horsetail should not be consumed long-term without a break, and it isn't suitable for everyone, such as those with certain kidney issues. Horsetail should be avoided by children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and people with kidney disease or heart conditions. Long-term continuous use can lead to thiamine deficiency due to thiaminase content, so supplement with B vitamins if using regularly and never exceed recommended duration. These guidelines promote safe, effective use of horsetail for bone health, urinary support, and external healing. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before beginning any herbal regimen. Best way to grow horsetail. Now, if you're excited about horsetail and want to see it in your own garden, be aware that this plant has a mind of its own. Horsetail spreads aggressively through underground rhizomes and can quickly take over moist areas if not contained. The best way to grow horsetail is in a controlled container, either submerged slightly in water or kept in damp soil. Horsetail loves boggy spots and thrives in poor, sandy, or clay-heavy soils where many other plants struggle. It tolerates both sun and partial shade, though it truly shines in areas that mimic its natural habitat: damp meadows, stream banks, and marshy ground. Once established, horsetail needs very little care and will stand tall with its jointed, bamboo-like stalks, adding a prehistoric look to your garden while serving as a source for your herbal remedies. Horsetail is more than just an odd-looking survivor of the dinosaur age. It's a plant deeply rooted in human history, offering strength for bones, vitality for hair and nails, and relief for the urinary system. Whether you sip it as a tea, apply it externally, or nurture it in a container garden, Horsetail invites us to remember the healing power of plants that have stood the test of time. I hope this video gives you a fresh appreciation for horsetail and inspires you to explore it safely in your own wellness journey. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more herbal wisdom every week, and share this with someone who's curious about natural remedies. Until next time, may your garden and your health both thrive. Best way to grow horsetail. Now, if you're excited about horsetail and want to see it in your own garden, be aware that this plant has a mind of its own. Horsetail spreads aggressively through underground rhizomes and can quickly take over moist areas if not contained. The best way to grow horsetail is in a controlled container, either submerged slightly in water or kept in damp soil. Horsetail loves boggy spots and thrives in poor, sandy, or clay-heavy soils where many other plants struggle. It tolerates both sun and partial shade, though it truly shines in areas that mimic its natural habitat: damp meadows, stream banks, and marshy ground. Once established, horsetail needs very little care and will stand tall with its jointed, bamboo-like stalks, adding a prehistoric look to your garden while serving as a source for your herbal remedies. Horsetail is more than just an odd-looking survivor of the dinosaur age. It's a plant deeply rooted in human history, offering strength for bones, vitality for hair and nails, and relief for the urinary system. Whether you sip it as a tea, apply it externally, or nurture it in a container garden, horsetail invites us to remember the healing power of plants that have stood the test of time. I hope this video gives you a fresh appreciation for horsetail and inspires you to explore it safely in your own wellness journey. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more herbal wisdom every week, and share this with someone who's curious about natural remedies. Until next time, may your garden and your health both thrive.